Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're getting into something pretty essential, toilet repair. Not the most glamorous topic, maybe?
Definitely not, but critical when you need it.
Exactly. And we're focusing specifically on why choosing a local service, especially somewhere like Chilliwack, can make a huge difference. Our main source for this exploration is an article called Toilet Repair Services in Chilliwack, Your Local Solution, from the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
That's right. And it really highlights how sometimes, the best help is right in your own neighborhood. We'll unpack why that is.
Okay, let's dig in then. When we say local toilet repair, what's the secret sauce there? Is it just that Chilliwack plumbers know something others don't?
Well, in a way, yes. It's fascinating, actually. Local plumbers, they really do have this specific knowledge about the area.
Like what kind of knowledge?
Think about Chilliwack's water, for example. It tends to be harder, right? Higher mineral content.
Okay, yeah. Hard water.
So a local plumber knows that specific parts inside your toilet, like the fill valve or maybe the flapper seal, they get worn down faster by scale buildup from that water.
Ah, I see. So they expect certain problems more often.
Exactly. They can spot that kind of wear pattern much quicker than someone who isn't used to our local water.
Right.
Things like, ghost flushing or the tank filling really slowly.
Right.
It means they can often give you a more accurate diagnosis and a fix that actually lasts. They're not just fixing a toilet, they're fixing your toilet in Chilliwack. They get the context.
That makes a lot of sense. That local insight is key. But okay, what about speed? That feels like a big one. If your toilet suddenly, breaks down middle of the night, how does local help there?
Yeah, speed is crucial, especially in emergencies. And this is where being local is a massive advantage.
Because they're just closer.
Precisely. They're physically closer. Think about it, a serious leak or a blockage, every single minute counts, right? To prevent damage.
Oh, absolutely. Water damage is no joke.
No. And the source we looked at points out that local companies can often get someone to your door much, much faster. Sometimes same-day service or even quicker in a real emergency.
Faster than maybe a bigger company that covers a wider area.
Often, yes. They aren't fighting traffic from, miles and miles away. They might just be down the street. That rapid response can stop a small issue turning into a huge, messy, expensive problem. That's a huge benefit for you.
Okay, so we've got local knowledge, faster response times. What else? Is there more to it than just the practical fix?
Oh, definitely. It goes beyond just the repair itself. Choosing local ripples out into the community.
How so? You mean like supporting local businesses?
Exactly that. When you hire a local plumber, your money tends to stay right here in Chilliwack. It helps support that business, maybe helps them hire locally, pays local taxes. It strengthens our town's economy.
Right, the whole shop local idea applied to services.
Yes. And there's also the trust factor. These local plumbers, they live here too. Their reputation in the community is, it's everything to their business.
So they have more skin in the game, sort of.
You could say that. They often work harder to build that good name. They might take more time to listen, give you personalized advice because they want you to be happy, maybe tell your neighbors. They rely on that word of mouth.
It feels more like building a relationship, not just a transaction.
It really can be. It's like having a trusted expert nearby who cares about doing a good job because, their reputation depends on it right here at home.
Okay, so let's quickly recap the big takeaways here for choosing local toilet repair in Chilliwack. First, they really understand the unique local conditions, like the water quality, maybe older home plumbing quirks.
Yep, that specific know-how.
Second, you generally get much faster help, especially when things go really wrong, which saves you stress and potentially money on bigger damages.
Crucial point, yeah, quick response.
And third, you're actually supporting your own community's economy and building trust with businesses right here.
Absolutely, it connects back to the whole town. It makes you think, doesn't it? What other local services do you rely on, maybe without even consciously thinking about it, just because they get our community better? They bring that extra bit of understanding and trust.
That's a great question to ponder. Knowing these details really does make a difference when you need help. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive.